Hi, in this video, we're going to have a look at some of the basics of Macky. So the first thing is, after you've logged in, is you can go straight to your dashboard. In your dashboard on the left, you'll see a list of categories. And in each of these categories, you have further options that you can select. So Macky is designed to be prompt-free. So let's have a look at what you would do if, say, you wanted to create a business process. So you scroll down to business process design, and then you type in, for this example, the name of the process would be procure to pay. So we just type in procure to pay. And then the first task would be to request a product or service. And then the last task in the process would be that the system is updated. So we just type in system updated. And the reason we do that is because after you've procured the item, a system needs to acknowledge that this item is closed. So once we've typed that in, then we just press generate. And you'll see that Macky gives you an output just below with the procure to pay business process and all the various steps included. Source suppliers, select supplier, create purchase order, invoice processing, etc., etc. And when you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see that Macky gives you the option to ask a further question related to this output. So what you can do, for example, is to ask about the KPIs linked to this process. So in this field, we'll just type in, what are the KPIs for this process? And then Macky will generate further output related to this very process. So you've got the two linked. It's just digging a little bit deeper into the initial output and gives you more information. Just by answering 3 simple questions, you can get this output, and then you can also ask additional questions down at the bottom. So let's say we like the output and we want to save it. If you scroll up to the top where you've asked your initial question, you'll see there are 2 icons. One's to copy and one is to save. So you can copy and paste this output to any of your favorite desktop applications, or what you can do is save it to your library. So if we click on save, what it will do is put it in your library related to this business process. So you'll see at the top it says my library, and in there you'll find the output that you've just received, the procure to pay business process. Another one I saved earlier was this employee performance review process too. So we can click on that and we can have a look at that output that we sorted out earlier. And you can decide whether you want to keep that output or if you want to delete it. And there's a little delete icon just to the right there as well. So you can clean up your library as you go. We'll have a look at the deletion function in a minute. But let's say I want to have a look at all of the outputs that I've done for all of my searches. If you go up to the top and click library, that will have all the various outputs from all the various categories that you've previously asked and saved. So with this procure to payment, you'll see that that's the one we did a little bit earlier. Say I don't want this anymore, I can just hit delete here and it will clean it up out of my library. So I go back to my library and it's not there anymore. But as you identify certain outputs, the ones that you find relevant, the ones that aren't so relevant, you can delete them or add them here as and when you wish. The last item we're going to look at is what we'd like to do to invite a coworker. So up the top here we have invite coworker. As long as you're on a paid plan, you can send an email to any of your coworkers and they can also add to your responses as well. So we just click invite, type in your coworker's email address. In this case, it's going to be john@macky.ai, and then send the invite. And then John will receive an email asking him to join my plan. So he'll need to register himself on Macky and log into the plan so he can use your subscribed plan. Hopefully you've enjoyed this very brief overview of the key features. We've had a look at the different categories, how to access them, how to save them, how to copy them, how to invite co-workers, and an overview of a library. The last thing I wanted to mention was support. So say you've got some questions or you want to have a look at some of the videos related to any of the various ways that you can use Macky, just click in the support and you'll have access to all the videos that we're doing here that will help you. We've also got a contact us section as well, which we'll talk about a little bit later, but you can always have a look at the videos and just have a quick run through there. Thanks very much for watching this overview, and I hope you enjoy using Macky.